Okay, so this is to go over the revision for the units sheet that we received in class recently. Okay, so Hassan says Assalamu alaikum. Samira says Wa alaikum salam. Hassan asks Ma ismik. Ma ismik. Ma is what? Ismik is your name. And you can tell by the ik in ismik that he's asking a female. Whereas if he said Ma ismak, he could be talking to another male. Samira then replies, Ismi Samira. Ismi means my name is Samira. So that's how you would introduce yourself to anyone. You would say Ismi and then your name. Wa anta ma ismak. Wa, it means and. Anta is you, referring to a male. Ma is what. Ismak is your name. So wa anta ma ismak. And you, what's your name? Hassan then replies, Ismi Hassan. By the way, I've written a few things on this sheet, so just ignore all the random stuff. Ismi Hassan. My name is Hassan. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. That means welcome. Samira says Ahlan bika. So welcome to you. So she's just replying his welcome. Kayfa halak. Kayfa halak. How are you? Okay, Samira then replies Bikhair. Oh no, sorry, I've skipped one. Hassan replies Alhamdulillah, so thank God. Wa anti kayfa halik. Wa anti, so and you, how are you? Yeah. Samira then replies Bikhair, Alhamdulillah, so fine, thank God, so fine, thanks. Hassan then asks Ma jinsiyatik. Ma is what? Jinsiyatik is your citizenship. Comes from the word jinsiya. Whenever you hear jinsiya, you know there's citizenship involved. And because there's an ik at the end, he's saying your citizenship, but to a female. Samira then replies, Jinsiyati Sudaniya. So you hear that there's jinsiya involved, so you know the citizenship, but there's a T at the end. Jinsiyati, the E at the end makes it personal, so she's saying my citizenship, and she says Sudaniya, so she's Sudanese. And you know, if a male was to say he is Sudanese, he would just say Jinsiyati Sudani. So in this case she's saying Jinsiyati Sudaniya. The iya makes that saying that she's Sudanese, but in the feminine way of saying it. She then says Wahal anta Sudani. So Wah is and, Hal anta, are you, and then Sudani is Sudanese for a male. Hassan then replies La, so no, Ana Misri, I am Egyptian. Misri is Egyptian. And if it was a girl saying that she's I am Egyptian, the girl would say Ana Misriya. Samira then asks Aina taskun ya Hassan. Aina is where. Taskun is like you live, so where do you live? Ya Hassan, oh Hassan, so where do you live, Hassan? When you speak directly to a male, regardless of what gender you are, and you want to ask him where do you live, you would say Aina taskun with the ta. And if you were to say I live, you would say Ana askun, so the ta would change to an a. Or you can say, if you want to say we live, you would make it naskun. Naskun is we live. Or if you want to say she lives, you would also say taskun. So Hassan then replies askun. So you see the ta now becomes a. He's saying I live. Askun fi shamal London. So I live in shamal is north. Shimal is left, but you know if it's shamal it means north. So he lives in North London. Wahal anti, and so he's saying Wahal anti taskunin fi shamal London, and do you live in North London? Remember, he's speaking directly to a girl, so he has to add the een at the end. Taskunin. Samira, she replies Na'am. Na'am means yes. Askun fi shamal gharb London. Yes, I live in northwest London. Gharb is west. Hassan then asks, Mada ta'malin? What do you do? So ta'mal is what do you do, and een is because he's talking to a girl. So Mada ta'malin? Samira then replies, Ana mu'allima. I am a teacher. Mu'allima is a female teacher. Wa anta mada ta'mal? And you, mada, what ta'mal do you do? Hassan then says, Ana dabit. I am an officer. Fi shorta. So fil shorta, I am an officer in the police. Samira then says min fadlak. Min fadlak. She's saying please. Man hunak, who is there? Hunak is there, as opposed to huna, which is here. Okay, so Hassan replies Hada Kamal. Hada is this is. Kamal is Kamal, so he's saying basically this is Kamal. Samira then asks Wa man hiya, and who? Man is who? Man is not to be confused with min, because min is from, man is who. So Wa man hiya, and who is she? Hassan replies Hadihi Nadia. This is Nadia, and Hadihi is obviously because he's talking about a female. Samira then asks Mada yaf'al Kamal? Mada is what? Yaf'al is doing, and Kamal, so what is Kamal doing? Hassan then replies Huwa, he, Ya'kul. Ya'kul is he eats, Wa is and, Yashrub is he drinks, so he's eating and drinking. Samira then replies Wa mada taf'al Nadia huna? Wa mada, and what, taf'al is she doing? Nadia huna is here, so what's Nadia doing here? Hassan then replies Hiya tajlis, she is sitting, so in the third person, tajlis. Wa tashum, and smelling, al-warda, a rose, fil hadiqa, in the garden. Samira then says shukran, thank you, wa ma'a salama, and with peace, so it's like thank you and goodbye. Hassan says afwan, it's like kind of like you're welcome. Allah yasallimik, it's like God's peace with you.